Hello, today you are looking at a Kaeser SX6 rotary screw drive air compressor. This unit boasts a 5 horsepower motor, 20 CFM, 125 PSI. This is a 3-phase item, 230, 460 volt. Really nice shape. Got anti-vibration feet. Solenoid still attached. Very nice condition. Needs a new filter. 60-gallon tank. 9,067 hours. And ready to go for you. Check out the inside of the cabinet in here. Look how clean it is. This was built in 2004. Serial number is 2277. It's got low amperage on the output. If you have any questions on this item or any other items, please contact Surplus Industrial Supply at 616-451-4100 or on the web at www.surplusindustrialsupply.com. Thank you and have a great day.